If you're considering the JVC KW M865BW, it's important to know the hidden issues that don't always appear in the marketing material. Today on Auto and Moto, we'll cover the real-world problems users are facing with this head unit and why you might want to think twice before buying. First, wireless CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity can be unreliable. While JVC promotes wireless functionality as a major advantage, many users report frequent disconnects, lagging interfaces, and slower reconnection times after restarting the vehicle. If you depend on a seamless wireless experience for navigation and media, this could be a serious frustration. Second, the screen visibility under sunlight is disappointing. Despite having an anti-glare panel, the KW M865BW's brightness struggles during daytime driving. In direct sun, the display becomes harder to read, making quick navigation adjustments or even simple menu operations inconvenient and distracting. Third, startup time is slower than expected for a premium-priced unit. After ignition, it can take noticeably longer for the system to boot and establish full CarPlay or Android Auto functionality. In everyday use, this lag can feel outdated compared to newer models from competitors. Fourth, sound tuning and audio control options are more limited than you would expect at this price point. While the audio output itself is clean, the system lacks some of the deeper DSP, digital signal processing, features that serious audiophiles or custom system builders typically look for. Fifth, JVC's software update support is inconsistent. While firmware updates are supposed to improve stability and fix bugs, update releases have been slow, leaving some issues unresolved for extended periods. A unit at this level should receive regular and timely support, something JVC has struggled to maintain. Finally, the physical build quality feels average. The chassis construction and touchscreen durability don't feel as premium as what you would expect from a unit positioned in this price tier. Over time, this can lead to wear that impacts both aesthetics and function. In conclusion, while the JVC KW M865BW offers solid features on paper, hidden flaws in wireless stability, screen performance, system responsiveness, and long-term reliability could leave buyers disappointed. If you're investing in a premium head unit, it's worth considering alternatives that deliver more consistent real-world results. For more professional automotive tech insights and honest product reviews, make sure to subscribe to Auto and Moto.